the fact is, and when you think of sugar, you think of candy or soda or sugary drinks. The fact is that almost everything that we ingest, aside from water, has some sort of carbohydrate in it. Carbohydrate is just a fancy word for sugar. And so the important part of this, and a lot of people don't understand this, is our mouths, there's a certain pH, which is a level of acidity, right? So you want your acidity to be neutral in your mouth, okay? Anytime you eat or drink anything other than water, the acid level is going to go from 7 to 2 or 3, right? And in an acidic level, which is in that 2-3 range, that's where the bacteria can thrive. So the important part of this is not necessarily the amount of sugar that you're consuming, it's how often that you're consuming sugar. And so if you're constantly eating, snacking, drinking sugary drinks or anything other than water throughout the day, your mouth is always at an acid level, and that's where the bacteria thrive, and you're more likely to get a lot of cavities in those situations. The example that I can give for you is from the Air Force. The maintainers, those are the ones that fix the planes and the helicopters, they sometimes have to work very long, crazy hours through the nights. And a lot of times these are young kids out of high school, 18, 19, 20-year-olds. And so during those long shifts, they're drinking energy drinks all day. Well, I can tell you right now, my patients in the Air Force that needed the most work were the maintainers that drank those energy drinks all day, because the acid level in their mouth was constantly at a high level. The pH level would be 2 or 3, and it could never balance out or go back to a neutral level. So that's the most important part. If you like soda, if you like energy drinks, things like that, I always just recommended that you drink them during meal times when you're already eating those carbohydrates, because you have to eat, right? You have to eat every day. So try to have those kind of drinks while you're eating, and then don't sip on them throughout the day, because that's something that will cause a lot of problems, a lot of cavities.